Welcome to Guruji English classes. Do you find yourself confused between the words accept and accept? Well, you're not alone. Accept means to take or receive, while accept means to exclude or leave out. One common mistake is using accept when you actually mean accept, which can completely change the meaning of a sentence. For example, saying, I will accept your offer, is different from saying, I will accept your offer. Using accept implies that you are agreeing to take the offer, while using accept means you are excluding or rejecting the offer. To avoid confusion, remember that accept starts with an A, like the word agree, which helps you remember its meaning. On the other hand, accept starts with an E, like the word exclude, reminding you of its meaning as well. If you want to remember it more easily, you can think of accept as an action of welcoming, while accept is an action of excluding. To further differentiate the two words, accept is primarily used as a verb, while accept is typically used as a preposition or conjunction. If you are unsure which word to use, consider the context of the sentence and the meaning you wish to convey. Remember that using the wrong word can lead to confusion and miscommunication, so it's essential to use accept and accept correctly. Practice using both words in sentences to reinforce the correct usage and increase your language skills. With time and practice, you can confidently differentiate between accept and avoid common mistakes. Join Career Building School today and build a great future for yourself. Visit www.careerbuildingschool.com.